Archpriest, and Arnold P. Salomon, PBTK Chairman. Please. Same flag of station is given to Mrs. Sheila Wanya. JKK San Vicente 1A.
Dito kami ngayon sa Nuestra Señora de Candelaria dito sa Imamon, Santo Tomas Davao del Mar. Awarding na sa mga president, JKK president.
Another flag of appreciation is given to former president of JKK San Jose 1A, Imamon, Clarice R. Nira. Another flag of appreciation is given to Luna B. Palimpin, former president of JKK Inahan sa Tunay, Panabang. Another flag of appreciation is given to former president JKK Victoria Baruna, JKK Santo Niño, Baliman. Another flag of appreciation is given to Lydia B. Bello, who being the former president of JKK San Roque Forsyth, Kimamo.
Lucky.
Another flag of appreciation is given to June Anthony B. Balista,
Awarding of
who being the former president of
Awarding of
JKK San
Lucky.
Lorenzo Luis, Kimamo. Another flag of appreciation is given to Danilo O. Pahinos, for being the former president of JKK San Vicente Los Pantano. Another flag of appreciation is given to Amigo A. Blas, for being the former president of JKK Santo Niño, Pantano.
Lucky. Awarding of Lucky.
Another flag of appreciation is given to Rolando B. Benny, for being the former president of JKK San Pedro, JFR. Another flag of appreciation is given to Wilson and Tubero, for being the former president of JKK Immaculate Conception, Yusikuya. Isa po ang JKK Yusikuya, Dio, receive sa flag of appreciation. Another flag of appreciation is given to Gillian E. Magalso, for being the former president of JKK San Agustin, Alcaro. Another flag of appreciation is given to Marites O. Abiranda, for being the former president of the JKK Sagrada Familia. Another flag of appreciation is given to Jeremy B. Alaw, for being the former president of JKK Santo Niño, Alcaro. Another flag of appreciation is given to Rizal B. Gregorio, for being the former president of the JKK San Jose Alcaro. Another flag of appreciation is given to Leah G. Abak, for being the former president of the JKK San Vicente, Darana. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Irvin and Juanico for being the former president of the JKK Misael Pag-iusap. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Isidore G. Ganancia for being the former president of the JKK Santissima Trinidad New Philippines. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Ricardo D. Manay for being the former president of the JKK Nuestra Señora de la Salvación. Lastly, this plaque of appreciation is given to Presenters P. Baus for the former president of the JKK San Roque, Manay. Bangsa dan pasalaman, sudah bisa sila sa pagpapalagay sa